WHO's director's message to the people of the world about Omicron. 358 Omicron cases in all India. Delhi and Mumbai see new spike. About 600 flights were cancelled within, into or out of the US on Christmas Eve. Man killed in Ludhiana court blast was the bomber and an ex-cop. India spinner Harbhajan Singh announces retirement from all forms of cricket. Madhura priests protest against Sunny Leone's dance on Madhuban mein Radhika. Akshay Kumar shared the making of video of the song Garda from the movie Atrangi Re. And take a peek into the world of Deepika Padukone's Gehraiyan. Hello and welcome to 2020 Stars Fatafat News, and I'm your host Namita. First of all, I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas from the whole team of Time Stars Entertainment and hope Santa fulfill all your wishes. But one wish I think everyone in this world wants to get fulfilled this Christmas is that we all want to have COVID-free 2022. But this new variant Omicron is making it little difficult for all of us to achieve that dream. In this bulletin today, we are going to cover news related to Omicron, sports, entertainment and more. So before we start, please consider subscribing to our channel and keep showing your love and support to us. Now, without any further ado, let's start. World Health Organization Director General Tedros warned the world about the Omicron variant and appealed to people not to take it lightly.
77 countries have now reported cases of Omicron, and the reality is that Omicron is probably in most countries, even if it hasn't been detected yet. Omicron is spreading at a rate we have not seen with any previous variant. We're concerned that people are dismissing Omicron as mild. Surely, we have learned by now that we underestimate this virus at our peril. Even if Omicron does cause less severe disease, the sheer number of cases could once again overwhelm unprepared health systems. I need to be very clear. Vaccines alone will not get any country out of this crisis. Countries can and must prevent the spread of Omicron with measures that work today. It's not vaccines instead of masks. It's not vaccines instead of distancing. It's not vaccines instead of ventilation or hand hygiene. Do it all. Do it consistently. Do it well.
Srinal Pandya, you can find all kind of gems, stones, beads, pearls, jewelry, all at affordable rates and under one roof at Beats After Beats.
Overall, there were 244 active Omicron cases in India, and 114 people have been recovered from or been discharged after being treated for the new strain of the virus. Here are the top 5 points in this big story. Health Ministry data showed 122 new Omicron cases were reported in the past 24 hours, meaning India's Omicron caseload jumped by a third in one day. India's Omicron caseload crossed 100 exactly 1 week ago, and it crossed 200 on Tuesday. A worrying point is that 91% of the Omicron patients in India were fully vaccinated and 27% had no travel history, reinforcing experts' fear the new strain can evade existing vaccines and is entrenched in the local population. Several countries, including the US and those in Europe, have started giving booster shots. India has yet to do so, despite calls from scientific experts and the WHO. Concern over the spread of Omicron have also been raised by Allahabad High Court, which has asked the Election Commission to reconsider holding elections in over half a dozen states this year, including the country's most populous state, Uttar Pradesh. UP and Madhya Pradesh have become the first states to impose restrictions in the face of the Omicron threat. Both states have announced 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. night curfews. Over 1.5 lakh Omicron cases have been reported from 108 countries, with 26 death links to the virus. The WHO has urged countries to boost in the face of the threat. With holiday travel returning to pre-pandemic levels, a health expert is offering advice for those planning to visit loved ones for Christmas, given the surge in COVID-19 cases in many parts of the US. About 600 flights were cancelled within, into, or going out of the US on Christmas Eve so far, according to flight tracking site FlightAware. Experts say, like other businesses and airlines across the nation, they are experiencing staffing issues related to the rapid increase in Omicron cases. As a result, they had to cancel some flights. Another side effect of coronavirus, COVID-19 cases in the US have been rising as the highly contagious Omicron variant becomes dominant. The country averaged more than 182,000 new COVID-19 cases a day over the last week, according to Johns Hopkins University. The body of the man who was killed in the blast at a court on Thursday in Punjab's Ludhiana has been identified and is believed to be that of the bomber and, more startlingly, a former police officer. According to sources, the body of the bomber was identified as Gagandeep Singh, a former cop. A head constable, he was dismissed from the service in 2019 and spent 2 years in jail following his arrest in a drug trafficking case. He was released in September. Veteran India spinner Harbhajan Singh announced his retirement from all forms of cricket on Friday. The off-spinner took to Twitter to make the announcement and also shared a video on YouTube in which he explained the reason behind his decision.
मैं पिछले कुछ साल से एक अनाउंसमेंट करना चाह रहा था और उस चीज़ का मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा था कि मैं आप सबके साथ उस मोमेंट को कब शेयर करूं। मैं आज क्रिकेट के हर फॉर्मेट से रिटायरमेंट ले रहा हूं। हालांकि ज़हनी तौर पे मैं रिटायरमेंट पहले ही ले चुका था, लेकिन अनाउंस नहीं कर पाया। वैसे भी पिछले कुछ वक्त से मैं एक्टिव क्रिकेट खेल नहीं रहा था, लेकिन कोलकाता नाइट राइडर के साथ कमिटमेंट की वजह से मैं चाहता था कि मैं आईपीएल सीज़न में उनके साथ रहूं, पर सीज़न के दौरान ही मैंने रिटायरमेंट का मन बना लिया था। वैसे हर क्रिकेटर की तरह मैं भी इंडिया जर्सी में क्रिकेट को अलविदा कहना चाहता था, लेकिन तकदीर को शायद कुछ और मंजूर था। मैं जिस टीम के लिए भी खेला हूं, मेरी 100% वहाँ कमिटमेंट रही है कि मेरी टीम जो है वो टॉप पे फिनिश करे, चाहे वो भारतीय टीम हो या पंजाब टीम हो या फिर मुंबई इंडियंस हो, सीएसके, केकेआर हो या फिर सरे या एसेक्स काउंटी हो। क्रिकेट कैरियर की बात करूं तो सबसे पहले खुशी मुझे मिली जब मैंने हैट्रिक ली कलकत्ता में, और मैं पहला भारतीय गेंदबाज बना जिसने टेस्ट क्रिकेट में हैट्रिक ली हो। और साथ ही साथ उस सीरीज़ में मैंने 3 मैचेस में 32 विकेट लिए और वो अब तक रिकॉर्ड है। इसके बाद 2007 का T20 का वर्ल्ड कप और ऑफ कोर्स 2011 का वर्ल्ड कप जीत मेरे लिए सबसे अहम थी, और ऐसे यादगार लम्हे शायद मैं ज़िंदगी भर जिसको भुला नहीं पाऊंगा, और शायद मैं अपने शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर पाऊंगा कि कितनी बड़ी खुशी थी मेरे लिए वो। अब नई चुनौतियों के साथ एक दूसरा चैप्टर मेरी ज़िंदगी में शुरू हो रहा है। यकीन मानिए आपका टर्मिनेटर इम्तिहान के लिए तैयार है।
मजलूम दी इज्जत राखी लई ला सारा ही परवाह गया, तन जिगरा कलगियां वाले दा पुत चार धर्म तो वार गया, पुत चार धर्म तो वार गया, पुत चार धर्म तो वार गया।
Mathura-based priests have demanded a ban on Sunny Leone's latest video album, accusing the Bollywood actress of hurting their religious sentiments by performing an obscene dance on the iconic Madhuban Mein Radhika Nache song. Saregama Music on Wednesday released its latest music video titled Madhuban, which features Sunny Leone in the party number sung by Kanika Kapoor and Arindam Chakrabarti. Akshay Kumar shared the making of video of his high-tempo and spectacularly visual musical treat Garda, which is set against a circus backdrop. This is from his upcoming movie Atrangi Re with Sara Ali Khan and Dhanush. Akshay Kumar is excited for the release of the film, which he himself refers to as an Atrangi, extraordinary story.
पहली बात तो फर्स्ट गाना कर रहा हूँ आनंद राय के साथ। तो मैं बहुत सुना था, बहुत काम करने का उनका तरीका अलग है। बिलीव कीजिए मुझे बहुत मजा आया गाना गाने में।
साला गर्दा उड़ा दिया। अरे गर्दा उड़ा दिया।
आनंद राय बेसिकली इज अ गुड मैन, गुड प्रोड्यूसर, गुड डायरेक्टर। ऐसे लोग बहुत कम है, तो अतरंगी रे डिफरेंट गाना बहुत अच्छा है। ए.आर. रहमान का म्यूजिक है, फैंटास्टिक सॉन्ग। ये गाना बहुत बड़ा हिट होगा। स्टेप्स कोशिश की हम लोगों ने अलग करने की। फर्स्ट टाइम में मेरी लाइफ में सर्कस का गाना कर रहा हूँ।
जादू तकदीरों का, हाथों की लकीरों का, खुद मैंने बदला है प्यार से। पाया जो था पाना मैंने यहाँ रोजाना, है जीत दो छीना हार से।
तो कोशिश की है कि मैं कुछ अलग करूं मेरे डांस स्टेप के साथ या कुछ जादू के साथ।
Akshay Kumar is all set to entertain fans next year with a slate of releases featuring an electric era of characters and genres including Prithvi Raj, Bachchan Pandey, Raksha Bandhan, Ram Setu and Oh My God 2.
गर्दा उड़ा दिया।
Now take a peek into the world of Gehraiyan. Gehraiyan features Deepika Padukone, Siddhant Chakravarti, Ananya Pandey and Dharia Karwa as leads, along with Nasruddin Shah and Rajat Kapoor in pivotal roles. The movie will have its world premiere exclusively on Amazon Prime Video from January 25, 2022 in more than 240 countries and territories worldwide.
तू मर्ज़ है दवा भी, पर आदत है हमें रोका है खुद को, लेकिन हम रह ना सके तेरी लहरों में आकर। ऐसे हम बहे ले डूबी जा रही हैं गहराइयाँ हमें गहराइयाँ।
Good morning. Enjoyed it.
It's been one of the most wonderful experiences with this song.
हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं।
Firstly, working with Anand sir,
चक है तू।
he's a legend. For him to have faith in me to do this song,
दोपहर से लड़के की लहर
to get the story in the song. Anand sir was there. अच्छा ये डांस को इसके साथ इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, इसको ऐसे करेंगे, इसको ऐसे करेंगे।
पहले हम इसके साथ जाएंगे, सारा ज्वाइन कर लेगी।
Music is done by रहमान साहब। When I got the song, I was like, रहमान साहब म्यूजिक, तो प्रेशर इतना हो गया कि अब मैं क्या करूँ। I love the song. Chakachak is a song that is here to stay. And then there was Dhanush. It was just like the right ingredients आपको दिए गए हैं, अब बस आपको खाना है, वो वाली फीलिंग आ गई थी। Everything just fell into place. Sara worked very hard. उसने इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है, इतना अच्छा डांस किया है। जब आप उसको स्क्रीन पे देखोगे, you will see her in a very new way, in a new light. Tak, look at him and turn.
मुझे तुम्हारे नखरे वखरे प्यारे हैं।
Sara being so loving, तो हम सब ऐसे जुड़ के काम कर रहे हैं और it's just so much fun.
मरी हूँ मैं।
Shoulder also, उसमें आएगा।
अब तेरे
I've just had a fantastic time shooting this song. लोग बहुत enjoy करने वाले हैं.
हाय चक्का 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 चक है तू, हाय चक्का 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 चक हूँ मैं, मेरे वाली तेरे वाली मैं.
Well, that's all in this bulletin. You all have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Till next time, this is your host Namrata signing off. Bye-bye.